Hi, I'm Tonya Caruso. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers, working to reduce the rate of infant mortality. Joining us in our studios this half hour is Brian Burden from Healthy Start Incorporated. Thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today.
Thank you for inviting us.
Such an important organization, and let's begin by telling folks what exactly Healthy Start is.
Healthy Start is a social agency that was started 10 years ago in Eastern Fayette County with the idea of trying to reduce the rate of infant mortality in actually Pittsburgh or southwestern Pennsylvania area. The part that I'm working with in Fayette County and Westmoreland counties, we've seen an increased rate of infant mortality, and we're trying to decrease those rates.
Any idea at this point what is causing that increased rate?
There are various things that are taking place, such as education things with the people involved, with the women, obviously. Smoking seems to be one of the big things that they're looking at in the Fayette County area. Then we have drug abuse, obviously. We have just lack of education on how to prepare for childbirth or how to take care of yourself during the months when you're bearing a child or carrying a child. And
so then how does Healthy Start work in terms of getting in touch with these mothers and really bringing them into the program?
Well, that's the interesting part. We go out and obviously we do community events. In fact, we have one coming up in September we'll talk about in a little bit. But we go to doctors' offices, the doctors that see women who are childbearing of age, and we put posters up in their offices. We just do community events trying to make the word, put the word out that we are there. And the way it works is that instead of you coming to our offices, we come out to see you. It's confidential. We take care of all the things. We come out to your house with nurses. We have social workers. We have people who are trained in just taking care of children up to age 2.
Right. Oh, so you mentioned the event, and so let's talk about that.
Okay. In Fayette County, we seem to have a higher rate of infant mortality. The national average, I guess, to be included into the program is about 2.5. Fayette County is over 3. So what we're doing is we're trying to let them know. Now what that means in ordinary terms is that out of 1,000 births in the Fayette County area, we have 15 that are not live, that don't make it. And so we're trying to decrease those numbers, especially in the African community. Mm-hmm. So by getting the word out that we're there, and we bring all the other agencies that maybe you're not familiar with, that you're not engaging with, to work with you and on making sure that your child is born healthy. Yeah. The track record is that out of every 10 live births that we work with, we have 90% success rate. So we actually do pretty good with ones we're actually engaged with.
And that's an amazing number. And as we continue to talk, we're putting on the screen website, phone number, Facebook, all these places folks can go for more information. So mm-hmm. Is there a gathering in September that you want to let folks know about?
What we're doing right now is that we have working with the Fayette County Commissioners, putting up in the courthouse, the Fayette County Courthouse. Our 2009 statistics have showed us that out of 1,000 live births in Fayette County, 15 didn't survive. So we have booties, little baby booties that we're putting up, and we're also having posters of the booties showing the significance of if you don't, take care of yourself and take care of your children before, the outcome could be very negative.
So what do you want to say to someone who is sitting at home, maybe just found out they are pregnant or knows of someone who is now expecting, about calling and getting involved in the program and asking for help?
It's free. The biggest thing is that there's no cost to you. That if you call us, we will come out to you, we'll do the evaluations, we'll make sure that you get to your doctor's visits, we'll make sure that you follow all the proper steps necessary in order for you to have a successful childbirth. And then we'll stay with you even after up to age 2 to make sure that your baby meets all the milestones and is healthy. So we're just saying that we're here for you. We're here to reduce the numbers and to make sure that you and your family are off to a great start.
Well, such an important program. We thank you so much for coming in and talking with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm Tonya Caruso. Thanks for watching Comcast Newsmakers. We'll send you back now to HLN.